Welcome to the exciting world of AI tools, where innovation meets practicality. Join us as we explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. Here are the four tools that you should know about while beginning your journey with AI. First, meet ChatGPT, your versatile AI companion. Whether you need answers, creative writing, or complex problem solving, ChatGPT is here to assist. Next, discover DALL-E, the remarkable AI that transforms words into stunning visuals. Imagine it, and DALL-E can create it, from abstract concepts to vivid artwork. Then, delve into the Python environment. This powerful tool is your gateway to data analysis, scientific computing, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. And don't forget the web browser tool. With it, the vast expanse of the internet's knowledge is just a click away. Research, explore, and stay informed.